patties. Just get my parcel to wait. I just got my parcel and let's open it. Let's see what's in here. Because I forgot what I ordered. It's so hard to open. Oh, it's cereal. Here. Fruit oatmeal. Oh god, I can't wait to try it. I've seen it online, like they just oh yeah. I'm gonna try it later or maybe tomorrow before going to the gym. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, second one is, let's see. Why everything is so hard to open? So hard to open, I don't know why. I think it's my sealer. I still have brown rice. Oh yeah, this is brown rice. I forgot. I've been waiting for this. Is my brown rice almost finished? So yeah, here it is. Sorry. And this one. Oh yeah, I remember. I think this is the protein bar. Oh yeah, this is the protein bar. As far as I remember. I remember now. Yes. It's here. It's this one. Let's see what's inside. Like, what flavor? Oh, it's chocolate. Cocoa flavor. So yeah, here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and then this is gonna be my snacks. Here it is. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.